Hi. Hello. Wow, you were so quick on that one. You actually scared me. So, what you doing? Sophia? Can I ask you a question? Why are you in a tunnel? Why are you in a tunnel?
I can still reach you.
Uh-oh. She's awake. How come you're in a tunnel? Uh-oh. All right. I love you. Can I get a kiss? Can I get a kiss?
Huggy.
Huggy.